Hey, good morning. Excuse me, I'm a little bit under the weather this morning. Tony LaPorta here with NakedTrader.com. I'm going to be rambling on this morning, and I think I'm going to be all over the shop, and that's probably because I don't really ever plan what I'm going to say. It just starts coming out. I've sort of have a few markets giving me indications, and I'll let you know what I'm seeing. On Friday, I received 6 buy and sell signals in the markets, and this is my trading system. I sort of wrote this program in 2005, and I trade a small fund, and what I've seen in the past is the system is really good from January till Easter, and it's been good again this year. I mean, it's been really good. So I received a buy signal in the Swiss franc on Friday, and I see this morning the Swiss is up almost 40. So that's something nice right out of the box. I also received a sell signal in the NASDAQ on Friday. Now, last week and the previous week, we received some sell signals in the indice markets, and I've also been receiving sell signals in the likes of the crude oil market and the cattle market, the soybeans, the soybean meal, and the corn. And these are all markets that have been in a bullish phase, shall we say. And when I start receiving these sorts of sell signals, over a sector, shall we say, you begin to sit back and say, oh, are we due for a little correction here? And that's what that's what I sort of wrote about over the weekend, and I feel, if these commodity markets come off, then I do believe the indices will come off with it, and then my mind goes in, and I look at the bond market this morning. Sorry, like I said, all over the shop. I look at the bond market this morning, and the bonds are up 5 ticks. The notes are up a handful of ticks as well. And so those are the sorts of things that are telling me that you want to be short these indice markets. And and then going back to that Swiss franc buy signal, I thought that was funny because I just the currencies have been on a big move, and I'm actually looking for the currencies to come off. And what I've noticed in the past, the Swiss franc has almost been a bit of a flight to quality currency. So is that buy signal in the Swiss sort of telling me that things are not well in stock land, shall we say, on Wall Street? So all those little indicators are giving me one sort of, I'm leaning towards selling Wall Street. Also that head and shoulders top in the gold market. We had kind of a tight range follow through lower on Friday, and but we got our follow through. We broke the neckline on Thursday convincingly. Got our follow through on Friday, and I'm not sure when the break of the neckline was, but I was looking for a return to the neckline. I think the neckline comes in around 1257, 1258 last night. The gold traded up as high as 1252.40. So that might be it. We will see what happens, but I do believe if all these other commodity markets are coming off, gold's coming off with it, and that head and shoulders top objective is 1260. So mind your eye this morning. You know what I'm thinking. So this is Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye now.